Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Srachi Greenwood Nest at Newtown Action Area 1 beside Newtown Action Area 1 bus station, and this is a 3 BHK model apartment of 1565 square feet sellable area. On entry you can see this is the puja room space as per Vastu, or this is the entry lobby. You can see this entry lobby, and now see this is the living cum dining hall. It's a premium apartment situated in an excellent locality of Newtown, just beside Newtown bus stand, and you can see the beauty of this apartment. This is the premium luxury segment with having 3 bedrooms with 3 toilets and 2 balconies, and with another puja room space. The total sellable area of this apartment is 1565 square feet, and you can see this magnificent living cum dining hall. And now come inside. So now we are going into the first bedroom. So this is the living space. So through the living space we are going towards the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. Along with this bedroom you will be having your attached toilet space. So this is the wall mount commode and the basin space, and separate space have been given for shower. And now see the size of this bedroom. The size of this bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet. You can moderately decorate this bedroom as your study room or your guest bedroom. Along with this bedroom you will be having a big size balcony in this area. The size of this balcony is approximately 10 feet by 4 feet. And see the beauty of this bedroom along with this attached toilet space. And now come outside. So see the space. This is the living space. Excellent living space along with a French style window. And this side is the dining space, a dining hall with a dressing area, excellently crafted. And now come inside. So this is the dining table, and just beside this dining table this is the kitchen space. It's a luxurious kitchen space. You can see this kitchen space, excellently decorated with chimney hub, stainless sink, and a big size window and exhaust space. Not only that, with this you will get a service balcony like this. This is the service balcony area, and see the kitchen space again. So this is the kitchen space. And now come again. So now we are going towards the second bedroom. So come inside. So this is the second bedroom space, marvelously designed, and this second bedroom is having a size of 15 feet in length and 12 feet in breadth. You can decorate this bedroom as your kids' bedroom, and not only that, this bedroom is having windows on both the sides. As you can see, our project is now almost ready to move in condition. The buildings are going to hand over within 6 months of time. Already modifications have been done. And now see the space of this bedroom with a running library space in a wardrobe. Beautifully crafted, and ethnicity of design in every part of this bedroom. And now come just opposite to this bedroom. This is the common washroom space. See the luxurious common washroom space with a basin space, wall mount commode, and a separate space for bath with Italian marble finish, vitrified tiles, imported vitrified tiles. And now come inside the third bedroom. So we are entering into the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom space, and this bedroom is also have windows on both the side, and the size of this bedroom is approximately 14 feet by 12 feet. And from this window you can have a look of our towers. These are the existing towers which will going to hand over within few months of time from now. And from this side, look at the space of this bedroom. And now come inside the attached toilet space. So this is the attached toilet space, along with wall mount commode space and the beautiful crafted basin area. So hope you like this video. So if you are interested about this premium apartment, then please call us as early as possible, because we are left with very few limited options right now, and we are offering great offers. So thanks a lot for hearing us. So if you have any queries, please call us. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.